Welcome to version 2 of the minimal pair practice between the R consonant sound and the L sound. In version 1, we compared the R consonant sound to the light L, which is what I like to call the full L consonant sound. However, there is a secret trick that many natives use, and that is to use the dark L, or what I like to call the half L vowel sound, in the place of where we would use the light L or full L consonant sound. Instead of saying play, we can say play with that dark L sound. So this practice is going to be much more difficult, but it's really going to help train your ears for native speech. Now, if this is new to you or it seems at all confusing, then definitely make sure that you first watch the special short lesson called the half L hack. We're going to be using the same words that we saw last time and comparing 1 and 2, and you have to guess the number if you think it's an L or an R. Ready? First pair, pray. 2, play, pray. Play. 1, play, pray. Play. 1, play, pray. Pray. 2, play, pray. Play. 1, play, pray. Next pair, glass. 1, glass, grass. Glass. 1, glass, grass. Grass. 2, glass, grass. Grass. 2, glass, grass. Next pair, fry. 2, fly, fry. Fly. 1, fly, fry. Fly. 1, fly, fry. Fry. 2, fly, fry. Next pair, free. 2, flee, free. Free. 2, flee, free. Flee. 1, flee, free. Flee. 1, flee, free. Free. 2, flee, free. Next pair, light. 1, light, right. Light. 1, light, right. Right. 2, light, right. Right. 2, light, right. Light. 1, light, right. Next pair, row. 2, low, row. Row. 2, low, row. Low. 1, low, row. Low. 1, low, row. Low. 1, low, row. Next pair, black. 1, black, rack. Rack. 2, black, rack. Black. 1, black, rack. Black. 1, black, rack. Rack. 2, black, rack. Next pair, read. 2, lead, read. Read. 2, lead, read. Lead. 1, lead, read. Lead. 1, lead, read. Read. 2, lead, read. And now it's time for the bonus round. Listen closely because you will not see the word. Simply say 1 if you think it is the L sound, or 2 if you think it is the R sound. Note that not all of these are real words. Lift. 1, lift, glay. 1, glay, wrench. 2, wrench, laughed. 1, laughed, fray. 2, fray, lisk. 1, lisk, rost. 2, rost, blanch. 1, blanch, runch. 2, runch, clack. 1, clack, prees. 2, prees, river. 2, river.